So up until now, I think you should be comfortable using the quantstrat. Looks complicated, but you know the mechanics. So another example show you how SMA rule can work. So here I have a little bit more complicated SMA rule. So whenever the short run SMA 30 days is more than 200 long run SMA, then I buy every day, and I sell everything whenever there's the long run is bigger than the short run. The short run follow the long run. So here the difference is I sell everything. Okay. So the standard we have download data from when to when, right? And then I get the symbols, and then I stock it, and then I put the initial equity there. So let's run the let's go to the file SMA. This is things we have, right? To set up, so looks familiar already, should be. And the next thing is remove the strategy and define a strategy, and then initial portfolio, account, order, and strategy. So this is rather standard here. Okay. So let's run this few line of code. Okay. Now basically we set up everything here. Okay. Standard setup. So now we define SMA 30 is 30 days, SMA 200 is 200 days. Then we just add in the reason I do this is because later you can change the number. Okay. Strategy name SMA. Use the SMA. We have a SMA 30, and label is called SMA 30. Use SMA function. We don't need to define it because SMA is given from the con mode, right? So SMA 200, then use call SMA 200, and look at the market data. We're using closing data. Okay, so this is what we have. So here is we have same code. We just run it. So with indicator. So now indicator, the next thing to do is to look at the signal. So it's different from before. It's not signal threshold, it's signal comparison. It's comparing 30 to 200. If 30 is bigger than 200, then you buy. 200 is less than 30 is less than 200, then you sell. Okay, so there's a sell buy signal. So basically just run this. So we now have a buy and sell signal. The next is how to transform the signal into the rule. So the buy signal is very simple as before. It's a rule signal based on buy, and you buy 1000, you enter the market. Okay, this is similar to what we have before, so there's nothing new for this one for buy. Okay, because every time you buy by 1000, right? So 1000 every time. And here the only difference is sell. When sell, you sell everything, you exit the market. Just exit. You or and you exit. Okay, you're long and exit. Okay, so that is how. So here is buy, right? It's the same. So but when you sell, you have or you exit. Okay, so here is the rule here. Okay, the difference again is you all and long and exit. So there's not negative, but you just exit. You sell everything. Okay, and then what you're going to do is final step. You just apply the strategy and update portfolio accordingly. Okay, and here we need to the day range will be based on the time or summary on this. This is a technical step. Okay, to make sure everything was all right. This is how you get everything correct. Now, what we need is now to plot the answer. Okay, let's see the code. Just plot them. Oh, sorry, I forgot to apply our strategy there. Okay, this is how the strategy being applied. You update everything, okay, and you're able to plot it. Okay, so look at the Apple first. Apple is to keep buying, actually goes up, so you can see keep buying, 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 right? And at the end you sell. So at the end you don't have anything, but you earn a huge number of profit. Okay, drawdown is not small, but here the profit is okay because exit already at the end, just flat here. And look at the IBM. IBM, you keep buying and then you sell, you buy again. Okay, so this is you keep buying stuff and then you sell. So you buy upward trend and then you sell a downward trend. So this is the profit and loss. Okay, and that's the end of the SMA rule. Okay, later next slide we talk about SMA rule with something new. Okay, that's the end of the ceremony. Thank you.